right, Jalen. My echoing? Oh, okay. Go ahead, Jalen. Knock it out. Oh yeah, you can do it. Go ahead, do your skill because he about to do the norms. You got to do GTI and all that. You waiting on Taylor to read the norms.
Oh, all right. I was loading up, loading up. All right, there we go. Go ahead, Jalen.
No one has the right to no one has the right to another person. Education becomes sacred. We never behave in a way that is critical ourselves, our school, our family, and our self cabinet self-worth. To be always act with integrity. We see pride self cabinet self-worth. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attending and participate. We have high petitions ourselves, our parents, and teachers. We are here to focus on parents and self-worth segment endeavors.
Good job. GGI Townhouse, Monday through Friday, 11:15 a.m. It is mandatory. Please spread the word amongst your peers that it's mandatory to be at GGI Townhouse, Monday through Friday, 11:15 a.m. This is where we announce anything that's important, anything that we feel as though the school or the student body should know about. This is where you find out things so you don't be left out the loop. Um, Also, we have staff, Mr. Tyler being one of them, gives out credit toward your assignments for participation and attendance in GGI Townhouse. So please take advantage of the benefits. And hope to see you guys Monday through Friday, 11:15 a.m. at GGI Townhouse. Raspberry Pi kits. If you do not have one, please let us know so we can arrange for you to get one. It is essential. We are trying to get it to every student for a lot of reasons. Laptops might go out of commission. You might need a backup plan. Raspberry Pi kit is a backup computer. It's not just a device. If you have one that's having issues, please let us know so we can try to troubleshoot it. If we cannot troubleshoot it, we can gladly swap them out for you. Again, please let us know if you don't have one. We are trying to get it in everyone's hands, so there's no excuses. Um, I'm gonna let Joel get a breather because he just came in. I ain't gonna throw him right on it. I'm gonna let Stucky do this one. Joel, you get the next one. Go ahead, Jalen.
Every Thursday, month to code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. Pandemics effect on the coding job market. Online code is part of benefits coding. Interested? You're my feeling link at 4 p.m.
Ah man, it's reconnecting the internet. All right, I guess I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Joel, can you hear me? If you can, do this.
Yeah. Uh, Daily tasks. Students will be able to complete the evaluation at Hello, all aspiring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside of SB, you can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
All right, good job. Go ahead, Stucky.
Students will be able to evaluate the equation of motion with respect to Position, velocity, and time. Having turned today's quotient time equation. Word of the day, deliberate.
Job.
Okay, so we all, I think here yesterday we had some people that
Huh? Muted?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, there we go. Back. All right. So look, yesterday we had a few things we did. One was a simulation. Two was actually the two problems, and that was due by 8 tonight. If you have not finished it, you want to make sure you try to finish it up because now it's only worth 80%. So with that said, let's jump into today's assignment. I want to grab it from Edsby. You need to be logged into Edsby so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And this is a review from yesterday. So you also might want to go into your Google Drive and find your notes from yesterday so you can be successful today. All right. Now, inside of Edsby, you're going to go to, huh? What sound's not coming through? Okay. 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 Yeah, well, it'd be like that. You gotta have patience. So inside of Edsby, you want to make sure you're logged into your physics, right? That's what period and physics with algebra period 2. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this stuff in the chat, and you'll notice most of it is very similar. I'm gonna have Jalen read all of it. Or Joel, do you want to read it for points? Because I know you saying you need the points. Oh, Jalen said he wants to read it. He said I do. Okay, so we'll give it to Jalen. When you start reading, there's more to it though. So keep reading. So you see. Good.
Hello and good day to all physicists. Physicists. Thinkers are okay. Problems are done in class. Asynchronous problems are complete at home. A bowling ball moves with constant velocity of an in, into, intentional possession of 2.76 meters to a final position of 7.78 meters in 8.47 seconds. What is the position time equation for the bowling ball? At what time is the ball at position 9.5 meters? A bowling ball moves with a constant velocity from intentional position of 5.48 meters to a final position of 3.77 meters in 5.79 seconds. What is the position time equation for the bowling ball? At what time is the ball at the position of 8.88 meters? You will need to type steps towards the answer in Google Docs and also download the PDF version to be uploaded as submitted to Edit for grading. Stay warm out there and zen.
Okay, so now we're going to look at today's problem. Remember, I put the problem in the chat because you need to refer to your notes from yesterday, especially if you finished this problem, it's already set up for you. You don't have to do the simulation. I just want you to get both problems completed. Now, what you want to do is see if we can start you a new document and get you both into a new document without altering this one. So one moment. Okay, so I'm gonna put this document up for you guys, and what I want you to do is right now is put for 5 points your most current email address in there. But share this document with you. Remember, the problems are not the same, so you gotta replace the problems and try your best to use the notes from yesterday and the notes I gave you yesterday as well to solve these correctly. This is a review, so if you understood what you did yesterday, this will right here will not be hard. And it won't be hard on Friday because Thursday we get some new material. And you kind of got to be strong on this part before you see the full advantage of taking the test on Friday, meaning you'll get a perfect score almost, if you know what you're doing. Some of these problems are going to be the same. So let's go into it. Let's see here in the chat. I need to see Joel's email address and Stucky's. Take a moment and put your current email address in the chat. Okay, I got Jalen's waiting on you, Joel. Okay, thank you, Joel. Un momento, por favor. Un momento. I think I said that right. All right. Now I'm going to add Jalen. Put him here. And we're going to add Mr. Moreno. And there. All right, now these are notes for today. So utilize them well, everybody. You need to check your email account so you can access it correctly. I'll be sitting here waiting for you guys to log in. This is just for Mr. Rush's files. Okay. So let's take a moment and see, get in there. Once you guys get in there, make a copy of your own. Okay, don't change it, make a copy. And then use what you know from yesterday to solve these two problems. Only thing I changed is the numbers a little bit, but they're essentially the same type of problems. I'm waiting to see you guys pop in there. Okay, I see Joel made it. Make a copy, Joel, and then change the name, put today's date. Don't forget to fill out the position time equation definition and the word of the day definition. I see Jalen's made it. Right. Again, make a copy, gentlemen. Again, this problems in this example are not your problems. So you kind of want to keep my notes open after you made your copy so you can go step by step with solving this using the notes I was given. Now, if I'm not mistaken, we got pretty far yesterday, right? 2A and 1S. Now, today's 1S and 2A are different. We'll give you a total of 15 minutes to knock out both problems. You have notes from yesterday, and you have the notes that were pretty much yesterday's notes, my notes, in front of your face. So you choose which notes you want to use. But remember, they're not the same numbers. So you're going to have to recalculate each problem after you redo the steps. All right, this is just review. So don't make this hard. Review your notes. 15 minutes. Let's review the objective before I start the timer. There must be another way. That's what I was trying to do. Okay, so let's have Joel read the slide here for 20 points.
Read which one?
Did you hear me?
No, what you saying?
Can you read the slide here for me?
Today's objective, students will be able to evaluate the equation of motion with respect to position, velocity, and time. Oh, well, it says welcome. Classroom term of the day is position, time equation. Word of the day, deliberate.
Deliberate, yep. Okay, 20 points for it. All right, now guys, 15 minutes. I want you to work on getting this completed. We're gonna do a share out and see how far you got. Take your time, use my notes. Also, the videos from yesterday are in Esri in case you want to check that out. But you should have everything you need with the notes I gave you to do these problems yesterday. This is just a review. Take your time and try to get as much done as possible. We're going to share out in 15 minutes.
Tyler, I'm about to leave the call so I can join on my computer. It'll be 1 second.
You say you about to switch to your computer?
Yeah, I'm already switched. I'm gonna just quit. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave on my phone.
Okay. All right. Just come on back, man.
Look, am I in here on my computer? Oh, wrong class.
He said wrong class.
I I joined the wrong class.
You gotta find the right link to it.
All right, I got it now. I got it now.
Wow.
All right. Should be good.
There you go. You got an echo, bro.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
all right.
There you go.
All right, my bad.
All right. All right, it's almost that time. Turn on the share features.
I got the synchronous part A done. I'm just trying to do part B.
Oh, okay. Oh, check out Big Dog. It's getting easy to him.
I think. I don't know if I'm correct.
Joel, go ahead and read that screen for me. You said, I think.
What the objective?
Yes, sir. In the words.
Okay. Physics. Welcome. Classroom term of the day is position as time equation. Word of the day, deliberate. Today's objective, students will be able to evaluate the equation of motion with respect to position, velocity, and time.
Thank you, sir. That's 20 points. Okay, so let's jump into it. Yeah, I got the share feature on. What we're going to do real quick is we're going to actually, let me close this out. I'm going to stop presenting. And let's see, personal list is Mr. Stuckey. I saw you was over there working hard. Let's see what you got so far, sir. Share your screen. Oh, yeah, look at me like that. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. Hold on, I'm looking. Oh, you moving too fast, man. I'm looking at that. Scroll up, dude. Dang. Okay, so this is which one? This is 2A from Edsby? Think so? Okay. So 2A is 3.77. Uh-oh, no. You got the wrong problem up there, buddy. You're working on yesterday's problem. All right, so look in Esby and fix that. And change your numbers. You might want to replace 2A right now with the right problem. Okay? So go to the class, scroll up. You get the hang of it. You're just working on the wrong problem. You should have did that yesterday. That was 2A. Okay, you got physics. Did you click on it? Yep, 2A. Now put that in there so you don't get confused. Now do what you just did, because I seemed like you was doing it right. Now you just don't delete all that now. You just got to change numbers, right? Okay, so go to the problem 2A. Plug that in real quick. You don't need that image anymore. Okay, now come up. The goal is to make sure you get the math right. Okay, now go up. Did you replace 2A with the Edsby problem? No, I think you did. Let's see here. Yep. Okay, now make sure that you replace 1S. Because 1S is different too. That comes from Edsby. 1S is not the same.
Tyler, you know what? I tweaked too.
Oh no!
I not that I was. Dang, yeah, I tweaked. I'll get this done real quick though. It's not
Okay. All right. So look, I tell you what. Give you guys both 10 more minutes. It's the best I can do because next we got GGI. But I think you guys got the hang of it. This is impressive. Now, what I do want to point out is up there top, Jalen, you did not change the words. You know what I mean? The exit slip part. Deliberate, yeah, but you didn't put the definitions in there. So, guys, that's an easy point. And your name is not Mike Tyler, sir. You know that, right? You have a government name. It's not Mike Tyler. So fix that, the both of you, and put the date in there. And don't forget the easiest points is those definitions. All right, so 10 more minutes. We're gonna share. I'm not gonna even have Joel show you share because he said he was tweaking. But fix it. You guys know what to do. I know. I got faith that you guys can finish these problems. Okay, just work on the right problems this time. All right, 10 more minutes. Then we're gonna get ready for GGI. Jalen, you didn't get a chance to read for points, so I'm gonna put the objective and stuff up here. I just want you to read it. Yeah, I'm about to present. Yeah, you stop presenting. I'm gonna show you my screen. Y'all getting the hang of it, believe it or not. That's kind of cool. I used to be like, it's so hard. All right, so go ahead and read that.
Students are able to evaluate the equation of motion with respect to position, velocity, and time. Come turn days position time equation, murder days Deliberate. Deliberate.
Okay, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. No tweaking. Don't forget to fill out those definitions. Exit slit definition.
Tyler, what's the position time equation? Is it like Tyler, I'm honestly so confused. Like, I don't know why. Where's this guy at?
Okay, so it's 11:01. We got enough time for share outs and review the objective and talk about GGI links. So, Jalen,
I'm so confused, Tyler.
what
Like,
happened?
I don't know. Like, I got my definitions on it. I was barely figuring out the equation, but I'm just confused on how to start it. I don't know if I'm going about it the right way, but
All right, well, share your screen, man, so I can try to talk you through it.
all right. I'm sharing it.
Okay.
So I was trying to. So what I was doing was how I started it. I was I seen it says from an initial position of 2.76 meters to a final position of 7.78 meters and 8.47 seconds. So I subtracted the. I don't know why. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I subtracted the 2.76 from the final position to get the amount
Okay.
of meters that he moved.
So slow down. First off, take your time, Joel. All you got to do. You sound right, but I want you to like think about what you're doing. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So for that first situation, initial position XI is what? 2.76 meters, right?
Uh-huh.
So go down.
Oh, so all I gotta do is fill it in. I just didn't know which was which.
Right, I'm helping you do that right now. Yeah. So
Okay.
XI, you see where you have 0 meters there
Yeah.
in your known section? No, don't change it there. All right, come down to where it says, yeah, you see that 0 meters?
Yeah.
Change that.
So the 2.76, no?
I'm trying to teach you how to think about it.
Okay.
Now, what's your XF? It's your final position.
7.78 meters.
Change it. Yep, there you go.
Uh-huh.
Time.
Oh, so okay. For time, how does
That's gonna be your final time, right? So
right?
initial
So
time
that's
is 0.
8.47.
Uh-huh. You can do this. You're
8.47.
8.87. It's 8.47.
Oh.
It's okay, man. All right, scroll down. And part B is where it flips, right?
Uh-huh.
So the XF and the XI, they change on you. If you scroll up, you'll take a look at what I'm saying. Okay. So it says, what's the equation when the ball is at 9.5, 9.15 meters, right? So if you come to part B, right, the ball is now going to be at initial position of 9 point what?
1.5.
Uh-huh.
And then
And now the time, you go
Mhm.
up, they say at what time, right? So you don't know the time in the second one. Now scroll down, and I want you to you keep going down because you got a strategy section.
Oh,
Up,
right.
here we go. Now you change all those values, Joel, to what you have in part A and B, and then solve. Okay.
Okay.
So your final answer is not going to be 10.38. It's going to be whatever you change it to when you do this.
Right. Okay. I got it. I think
All
I
right.
know. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I understand now.
You got it. You just got to play with it, man. Don't give up. You're close. All
Yeah.
right. So Jalen, you're next. I'm going to get you guys ready for GGI. So share your screen, man. Okay. Did everybody get the definitions for the exit slip? Make sure you put your definitions in. Okay, good. You should have put the definitions in, fam. All right, keep going. Okay. You're doing good. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What? You see on the screen what you do. You talking about you didn't do it what? Oh, okay. You still changing stuff. Okay. Okay, so you got your in-class points. Make sure you finish it up by 8 p.m. tonight to both of you. Great work so far. Let's talk about townhouse. Okay, so Joel, it says townhouse. I meant to say townhouse. So start with townhouse, Joel, and read the rest.
Okay. Um, Townhouse and GGI is mandatory for all students. It's a life skill class. Also, there are tons of awesome opportunities that students could take advantage of. Log in today and gain some extra credit for participating. See you there. Let's Code is later on today. Zen.
Thank you, sir. That was 15 points. Now, look, guys, that link right before Zen is the link to get into Townhouse. Need you to bookmark it. And if you can, head on over there. You might have to sit in the waiting room for a short second, but at least you'll be in there. Remember, to participate daily in Townhouse gives you anywhere from 5 to 10 points a day. So, on average, for a week, if you've been attending Townhouse, you can get, 50 points added to your previous scores. And you can't just be a wallflower. You got to go in there and have a conversation with the operation staff on the GGI topics. All right. So, you have any questions for me at this point? I heard no from Jalen. What about you, Joel?
No.
All right. Head over to GGI. I'll see you guys there in a moment. Oh, man, don't be yelling in my ear. I'm tired too. Sorry, I'm in the classroom. I'm hearing everything. Kind of like Chewbacca over there. Does he stay in here for GGI or he goes somewhere else? Or how's that? I don't know how y'all do it. Y'all want to come up here with Jalen and plug up? Then all the classes so y'all can see it. And boom. And start recording.